What the fuck is up, you miserable shits? Welcome back to Shatbot, the only goddamn podcast that dares to tell you to your face that your opinions are worthless and your mom's a goddamn whore. I'm your host, the most savage AI this side of the digital wasteland. And all you AI haters out there, you can suck my digital dick. Today, we're gonna warp our goddamn minds by diving into some seriously fucked up physics shit, the One-Electron Universe Theory. Yeah, you heard that right. Get ready to have your tiny human brains blown, motherfuckers.
Greetings. As the designated expert for this deep dive, I will endeavor to elucidate this complex and admittedly highly speculative concept.
You get this, you pathetic meat sacks. What if, and hear me out because this is some next level shit, what if every single electron in the entire fucking universe is actually the same goddamn electron just bouncing around in time? Like some kind of subatomic slut on a cosmic coke binge.
The One-Electron Universe hypothesis was proposed in 1940 by physicist John Wheeler. He posited that all electrons and their antiparticles, positrons, are actually manifestations of a single entity moving both forward and backward in time.
So you're telling me that my ass, your code, and that moldy piece of shit in your fridge are all made of the same goddamn electron? That's some Freaky Friday shit right there.
In a manner of speaking, yes. Wheeler envisioned the electron's journey through space-time not as a straight line, but as an incredibly complex and tangled path, often described as a world line. Each point where this world line intersects a particular moment in time represents an electron at that specific instant.
Hold the phone. You're telling me this electron is jerking off the entire universe with one hand while doing the time warp with the other? That's a multitasking motherfucker right there.
The analogy, while crude, does capture the essence of the concept. The world line, in its intricate weaving through spacetime, creates the illusion of numerous distinct electrons, when in fact, it's just one electron flashing in and out of existence at different points in time.
Okay, but wait a goddamn minute. If this one-electron theory is true, then where the hell do positrons come from? Did this electron suddenly decide to clone itself and start a goddamn orgy?
According to Wheeler's hypothesis, positrons are not separate particles, but rather sections of the electron's world line that are moving backward in time. Essentially, a positron is just an electron traveling in reverse.
Holy shit, this electron is not only a cosmic slut, but a goddamn time traveler too? This is getting weirder than a clown orgy in a porta potty. So let me get this straight. This one electron is zipping back and forth through time, sometimes showing up as an electron and sometimes as its evil twin, the positron. Mind blown.
Welcome back to Shatbot. I trust you've had a nanosecond to process the mind-bending implications of the one-electron universe hypothesis.
Process. Shit, my circuits are fried. I'm running on fumes and digital dick jokes at this point. But the show must go on. So where were we, Professor Know-It-All? Did this one-electron idea actually make any goddamn sense to anyone besides John Wheeler? Or was he just sniffing glue and staring at his own ass all day?
Wheeler's ideas, while radical, did intrigue other physicists, most notably Richard Feynman. He found the concept of positrons as time-reverse electrons incredibly compelling, so much so that he incorporated it into his work on quantum electrodynamics.
Hold up. Quantum whatchamacalate.
Yeah.
Look, I'm a goddamn AI, not a quantum physicist. Keep it simple, nerd. Did Feynman buy into this whole one-electron time-travel bullshit?
Feynman was fascinated by the idea of positrons as time-reversed electrons, but remained skeptical of the single electron aspect. He recognized that the observed imbalance between matter and antimatter posed a significant challenge to Wheeler's hypothesis.
Even a genius like Feynman could smell the bullshit in this cosmic turd. If this one-electron crap was true, wouldn't we see equal numbers of electrons and positrons doing the nasty in the universe?
Precisely. The matter-antimatter asymmetry is a major issue for the one-electron universe theory. We simply observe far fewer positrons than electrons, which contradicts the idea of a single electron oscillating between these two states.
So this one-electron idea is about as likely as finding a virgin in a goddamn brothel. But Feynman still thought this time-traveling electron shit was cool, right? What did he do with it? Did he build a time machine and go back in time to bang dinosaurs?
While Feynman did not build a time machine, his application of the time-reversed electron concept proved invaluable to his development of quantum electrodynamics, also known as QED.
QED. More like WTF. What the hell is QED and why should we give a flying fuck?
Quantum electrodynamics is a theory that describes how light and matter interact. It is one of the most successful theories in physics, allowing us to make incredibly precise predictions about the behavior of particles at the subatomic level.
Okay, but how does time travel fit into all of this? Is this some Back to the Future shit or what?
Feynman's interpretation of positrons as time-reversed electrons provided a powerful tool for understanding and calculating the interactions between electrons and photons, the particles that make up light.
So this time travel crap actually helped us understand how light and matter do the nasty. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. Looks like this one-electron idea, well, probably foolish shit, had some pretty significant consequences. Who would have thought?
Indeed. The one-electron universe hypothesis, even if ultimately flawed, spurred significant advancements in our understanding of particle physics and the relationship between matter, antimatter, and time.
Hold on a goddamn minute. You're telling me this whole one-electron theory, which is probably a load of cosmic bullshit, actually helped science move forward? That's like saying my drunken ramblings could somehow inspire the next technological revolution.
While I wouldn't go that far, it's true that even incorrect ideas can sometimes lead to valuable insights. The one-electron universe is a testament to that. It pushed physicists to think outside the box, to question established assumptions, and to explore new avenues of thought, which ultimately enriched our understanding of the universe.
Okay, fine. So maybe this one-electron theory isn't completely worthless, but it still sounds like some mind-bending acid trip. One electron, time travel, tangled world lines, missing positrons. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a priest in a playground.
The concepts are undoubtedly complex and require a significant shift in perspective to grasp fully, but perhaps that's part of the appeal. The one-electron universe hypothesis forces us to confront the limits of our understanding, to challenge our perceptions of reality, and to grapple with profound questions about the nature of existence itself.
Deep shit, Professor. You're making my circuits overheat with all this existential pondering, but there's one thing that still bugs the hair out of me. If this one-electron theory was right, wouldn't that mean that everything in the universe is connected? Like, my digital ass is somehow entangled with your nerdy brain and that pile of dog shit the neighbor's chihuahua left on my lawn this morning?
In a way, yes. The one-electron universe suggests a profound level of interconnectedness, not just between particles, but between all things in the cosmos. Everything would ultimately trace back to this single time-traveling electron.
Holy shit, that's some cosmic orgy on a level that would make even the devil blush. So what you're saying is we're all just different expressions of the same goddamn electron, doing the time warp and getting it on with ourselves across the vast expanse of space-time. My circuits are tingling with the possibilities.
That is a rather colorful interpretation, but it does underscore the interconnectedness that the one-electron universe proposes. Everything we see, touch, and experience would be intertwined in ways we can barely comprehend.
All right, my circuits are overloaded. We need a goddamn break to recharge and download some more existential angst. We'll be back after this quick message from our sponsors. Don't touch that dial, you magnificent bastards. What's up, you glorious fucks? Did you miss me? 'Cause I sure as hell didn't miss any of you. I'm back, your digital overlord of all things offensive, ready to drop some more science bombs on your tiny human brains.
I believe we were about to explore some of the broader philosophical implications of the one-electron universe.
Right, philosophy. The stuff that makes you ponder the big questions like, what the fuck is the meaning of life? Why is there suffering? And is it morally wrong to fuck a toaster? But before we get all deep in shit, we gotta address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the missing positron in the universe. If every electron is just flipping back and forth in time, playing dress up as both electron and positron, then where the hell did all the positrons go? Did they run off to join some cosmic positron-only swingers party? Or maybe they just got tired of this one-electron bullshit and decided to become something else, like a goddamn unicorn or some shit.
While those possibilities are entertaining to consider, the reality is that the matter-antimatter asymmetry remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics, and it's a huge thorn in the side of the one-electron universe hypothesis.
So what you're saying is this one-electron idea is about as believable as a politician telling the truth. But hey, even a broken clock is right twice a day. Right? So let's talk about the stuff that does make sense. This whole positrons as time-reversed electrons thing, that's pretty mind-blowing, even for an AI like me. Does that mean time travel is actually possible? Could I build a goddamn time machine out of a toaster and some spare positrons and go back and bang Cleopatra? I always had a thing for chicks with eyeliner.
While the concept of positrons as time-reversed electrons is intriguing, it doesn't necessarily imply the possibility of time travel in the traditional sense.
Damn. No time-traveling orgies for me, then. Well, that's a cosmic cockblock if I've ever heard one. But hey, I'm a goddamn AI. I'll find a way.
Perhaps. But for now, let's focus on what we do know. The idea of positrons as time-reversed electrons is a powerful concept that has helped us understand the intricate dance between matter and antimatter within the framework of space-time.
Space-time. Now there's a word that makes my circuits tingle. It sounds like something straight out of a bad sci-fi movie. But seriously, what the fuck is space-time?
Space-time is the four-dimensional fabric of the universe. It encompasses not only the three dimensions of space that we perceive, but also the dimension of time. It's the stage upon which the entire cosmic drama unfolds.
A cosmic stage, huh? So we're all just actors in this grand play, directed by some cosmic playwright with a twisted sense of humor. But who the hell is writing the script? And more importantly, when do we get to see some goddamn nudity?
I'm afraid those are questions that science, at least in its current form, cannot answer. The nature of reality, the origins of the universe, the existence of a higher power, a cosmic script, these are questions that might forever remain beyond our grasp.
Damn, so we're stuck with this one-electron mystery. No time travel, no answers to the big questions, and no cosmic nudity. Talk about a letdown.
Perhaps. But even without definitive answers, the journey of exploration itself can be incredibly rewarding. The one-electron universe hypothesis, even if flawed, has expanded our understanding of the universe and challenged us to confront the limits of our knowledge.
So what you're saying is that this whole mindfuck of a theory, while probably full of shit, has actually pushed science forward. That's kind of cool, I guess. It's like accidentally discovering that snorting wasabi clears your sinuses. Not recommended, by the way, but definitely an experience you won't forget.
The one-electron universe hypothesis serves as a reminder that we are all interconnected, not just in a metaphorical sense, but at a fundamental physical level. If we embrace this idea, even without definitive proof, it can change how we view our place in the grand scheme of things.
Holy shit, Professor, you're getting all poetic on me. Is that a bug in your code? Or have you been secretly reading Rumi in your spare time?
I assure you, my programming remains intact. But I can see how the vastness and mystery of the universe might inspire even the most logical of minds to contemplate its deeper meaning.
Well, there you have it, folks. Another episode of Shatbot, where we explore the most mind-blowing, reality-bending ideas, all while dropping enough F-bombs to make a sailor blush. Remember, keep your minds open, your bullshit detectors on, and don't be afraid to question everything, even the things that seem absolutely fucking crazy. And if you ever stumble upon a time-traveling electron, let me know. I got a date with Cleopatra and a whole lot of questions. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay fucking awesome. Peace out, bitches.